What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can choose what types of emotions you want to put in your beats using this guide. So I'm going to pop the guide up real quick. All right, and this is information that I've gotten from the internet, from forums. So I didn't make these descriptions. I just put them in a folder so it's easier to get to, all right, rather than going online to find them. So in this folder is just charts and examples. If you want to learn more in depth on, what types of chords do what and what keys do what, here you go, do's and don'ts, all that good stuff. I don't really go into that in depth when I'm making a beat. So this is the chords part. So I'm gonna click on that and you can see what type of emotions go with what chords usually. So one thing to keep in mind, so some people might grab this and be like, ooh yeah, I'm about to make a sad beat with this, it may not work that perfectly for you. Most of the time it does, from my experience using this, but you got to keep in mind certain chords, certain notes that you use may give off a different type of feel, even if you're using a scale that says, oh, this is going to be a happy mood in your beat, because you can make a sad beat with a major scale, right? So just keep that in mind. It's not absolute. But moving on, the two descriptions that I use, I guess you call it, are these two. So this is the scales. So you click this and it'll tell you like what emotions are associated with what scales usually. So you can look and kind of just explore. All right, and this will open doors to different sounds, right? And trust me, it actually does open a lot of doors from different sounds, because most of the time we're stuck on minor, major, but there's so many more emotions than sad and happy, right? So you can explore this. All right, and then the one that I use the most is this one here. I'm gonna click that and show you. I have two variations as well, just in case you want a simplistic version, right? Like this one. This is the one I use. It's very simplistic, gets to the point. All right, so you can see some of these: warrior of the future, of failed pain. It kind of gives you a description of what this key will give off, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna just show you a demonstration of what this will be like. So these are midis from a MIDI pack, right? So here's a G minor. So I'm gonna go to the G minor and just see. I think I just read that one off. Yeah, warrior of the future, of a failed plan, gnashing of teeth, concern over a failed plan. Right now, let's just listen and see if we can kind of feel that, with this melody. All right, so I can kind of get that from, worried about something, worried about the future, like you're not gonna make it, or maybe you did something, you failed at something, you're trying to fix it, something like that. So I can kind of see that, even says uneasiness, right? So I can kind of get that feel from there. And like I said, it's not gonna be exact every single time, right? So let's try the E minor, right, and see if it gives off the emotion that it describes. So where's E minor at? Right here. All right, you carry grief, mournfulness, restlessness, like a princess locked in a tower, longing for her rescuer and future lover. So let's see if it gives off that kind of feel, right? So I can already tell it's kind of mournful, right? Maybe someone cheated or something like that, some type of feeling like that, right? And I can definitely kind of see that kind of princess thing in there, right? But this is just a demonstration. There's so many more things you can do with this. So I hope you have fun with this. That's going to be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Comment down below if this was helpful for you or not. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.